In this video, I'm about to show you how to create tasks from notes on Zapier. First, navigate to the Zapier official website on your browser. Now, click the trigger button and a list will appear to select apps. Here, search and choose the OneNote app. Next, click the trigger event field and choose the event such as new note in a section. To connect to the account, hit the sign in button. It'll take a few seconds to sign in your Microsoft account. Then, review all the terms and click next. Allow Zapier to access your Google account by clicking accept. Go to the next step and enter the required details including fields, notebook and section. After that, click continue to the next step to test your trigger. Following that, select the action app to Google Docs from the list. Now, click the action event field and choose the event such as create document from the text. Each time you add a new note in OneNote, it will automatically create a task document in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.